The topic we are going to discuss about is chemical equilibrium, and the subtopic is solubility product. So solubility product is defined as the product of the concentration of ions raised to an exponent equal to the coefficient of the balanced chemical equation. For a general sparingly soluble substance, we have AX into BY. It will ionize in the following exponents. So आप exponents की जगह ये जो moles हैं इसको आप उनकी पार में दे देंगे. For example, lead sulfate is a sparingly soluble compound and it dissociates to a very little extent. So इसका जो Kc होगा that would be products over reactants. So being sparingly soluble salt, concentration of lead sulfate constant रहेगी. So Kc into lead sulfate को हम KSP कह सकते हैं. So KSP equals to products equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8, 25 degrees Celsius. So KSP को हम कहते हैं solubility product of lead sulfate. It is the product of molar solubilities of two ions at equilibrium stage. Applications are determination of KSP from solubility and determination of solubility from KSP. So for example, the solubility of PbF2 at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.64 gram per decimeter cube. हमने calculate करना है KSP. So first mass, molecular mass find out करेंगे, and then we will find number of moles. So balanced chemical equation is, so PbF2 is Pb2 positive plus 2 fluoride. We have this concentration जबकि Pb2 positive और 2F negative हमारे पास 0 थे जब reaction start था. उसके बाद जिसकी concentration है वो कितनी होगी 0.6 होगी और इसकी होगी 2 into 2.6. The expression for KSP में आप values substitute करेंगे. Pb is 2.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. F2 is 2 into 2.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 squared. The answer would be 7 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Another example is calcium hydroxide is sparingly soluble compound. Its solubility product is 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. We have to calculate the solubility product. Balanced chemical equation is calcium जब ionize होता है तो ये calcium 2 positive produce करेगा और 2 OH negative. Initial stage पे हमारे पास 0 concentrations थी, but afterwards it becomes S. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 है तो ये 2S हो जाएगा. हमारे पास जो KSP है that is 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Then calcium would be calcium hydroxide. इसको आप multiply कर देंगे S into 2S square. It would be 4S cube into 6.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. So यहाँ पे आप इसका under root ले देंगे, इसको power में convert करके इसको solve करेंगे तो you will get 1 into 1.175 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Let's discuss a practice MCQ. The solubility product is only applicable to those substances whose molar concentrations is 0.1 molar, less than 0.01 molar, 1 molar, or greater than 0.1 molar. And the correct option is 1 molar. So this was all about the solubility product. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.